Suzhou, with 2,500 years of history, is a famous cultural city in China. Suzhou Industrial Park District is in the east of Suzhou, very close to Shanghai. It is recognized as one of the most developed economic centers in China. It has attracted more than 110 Fortune 500 companies and many domestic and foreign high-tech enterprises. Carl Lam, founded in the Suzhou Industrial Park in 2010, aspires to be the most professional designer and manufacturer of coffee machine in China, with core values of dream, happiness, innovation, and thanksgiving. Carl Lam makes great achievements by continuous innovation and improvement. With great passion for coffee and high quality, Carl Lam insists on its own research and development. With strict ISO 9001 management system, Carl Lam is certified by CCC, GS, ATL, CE, CB, KC, RCM, and INNATURAL. It is also approved by CQC, LFGB, FDA, KFDA for food safety test. Carl Lam has implemented lean production to ensure product reliability, with ERP system for material purchasing and MES system for production. Carl Lam realizes the information management of production and continuous quality improvement. Carl Lam coffee machines are warmly welcome in 55 countries and widely used in hotels, offices, convenience stores, and other occasions. To create the greatest degree of pleasure and a good coffee experience, Carl Lam will always remain its original aspiration and keep lean production. Carl Lam, made in China, but made for world.